Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to unblock contact in Skype application. So how to unblock contact in Skype application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. Before unblocking our contact, here we try to block the contact first. Just go to the contact menu and select the contact to be blocked and tap the contact. To block a contact, we must go to the contact profile. In this chat section, tap on the top left of the contact profile name. Here there will be several options such as call, video call and others. We tap the pencil icon on the right of the name. Here there will be several options. Tap block contact to block the contact. Tap block. Next is how we unblock the contact. The method is to tap our profile icon on the top left. And down, tap settings. Well, here many options will come out. Select the contact menu. And two options will appear. Select blocked contacts. Now here will come out some contacts that we have blocked earlier. Tap unblock on the contact to unblock. Now here it will automatically disappear. We can see the contact whether it has been unblocked or not. The way to enter the contact menu. Now here we can see, the contact that has been blocked has been successfully unblocked or restored again. The function of unblocking contacts in Skype is to restore communication with previously blocked contacts. After being unblocked, the contact can send messages, make calls, and see your online status. So that's it. Tutorial how to unblock contact in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.